This is just a quick video which is no real interest to anybody except somebody who needs a set of these seat hinges. This is 71 T120r original seat hinges, and this is what they would look like. Ones at the front are spaced out because the seat's not original on this bike, so yeah, the seat frame didn't match, so there's a couple of washers under it, some screws because the bolts were lost. The total length there is just under 6 centimeters from the edge. The height from the edge of the bracket to the centre of the hole is just inch and 7/8, I would say. Okay.